guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2, dois, of things to do at home during quarantine. I'm so happy to hear that part 1 was helpful to a lot of you. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead and do so now before this video. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. We will all wait for you, so go ahead. Oh my god, you guys, I have a little story for you. So you know how in part 1 I suggested to back up your computer? Well, my computer didn't die, but my external drive did. I lost about 2 years of creative work, plus all of my artwork and videos from both of my YouTube channels. The only way I was able to upload last week's video, part 1, was because I had already exported the video and I was reviewing it, and I wanted to make a little tweak, so I threw it on the trash. So when I went to make the small changes, that's when it happened. I was a little bummed out, but mostly shocked. But to me, it's a sign of new opportunities, an opportunity to start new, be innovative, start fresh again. So I never look back, darling. It distracts from the now. So without further ado, here are the next 15, so let's begin. Number 1, fix around the house. This is the time to work on the simple and small stuff you've been meaning to do around the house without the need of hiring someone else. Fix that sink, unclog the drain, recaulk the bathtub, clean your washing machine. I saw this on TikTok. Put up those shelves, make a gallery wall, fix those loose cabinets, repaint those cabinets, fix that squeaky or sticky door, tackle that hole on the wall, paint the walls. What's great is that you can find anything you need to get it done on YouTube. I once fixed my washing machine by watching a video on YouTube, so go do it. Number 2, clean and organize your closet. Look through your clothes, shoes, and purses too. Try them all on and discard what you no longer wear. Add it to your donation pile. If the item is fairly new, you can also sell it on Poshmark. I have successfully sold purses, shoes, clothes, kids and men's items too. I have also bought a lot of unique, good quality pieces, fairly used at half the retail price. Definitely recommend you guys check it out. Also, while you're organizing your closet, put together outfits. And if you need new ideas and inspiration with a particular piece of clothing, go on Pinterest. For example, leopard skirt, bam. Leather pants, bam. White t-shirt, bam. And now number 3, clean your purse, handbag, or backpack. Dump everything out. It's amazing how much we can manage to fit and keep stuffing things in our purses, especially when you have kids. And if you have a canvas backpack, toss it in the washing machine and then hang to dry. So get rid of all receipts, candy wrappers, paper napkins, bobby pins, scrunchies, and all of your 50 flavored chapsticks, and keep only what you need. Same with your wallet. Disregard any unused and expired membership cards, used gift cards, expired credit cards. I don't know about you, but for some reason when I'm done cleaning my purse, I feel like I run the world. Who run the world? Me. Number 4, learn a new language. In other parts of the world, it's not uncommon for people to speak more than one language. So why can't we? It does take dedication and practice, but with the help of so many language learning resources, it is easier to do so at home and at your own pace. There are apps, podcasts, YouTube videos, online tutoring, and if you have a membership to your local library, you can access their available online resources. Number 5, teach your kids how to cook and clean. Start getting them involved in house duties. This can be a fun experience and a great life education for them to know how to take care of themselves and be independent in the future. My kids have been joining me in the kitchen recently and have been learning a lot about food. We go over what nutrition each food has to offer, and they get excited to eat something they made themselves. Same with cleaning. I teach them to clean according to the age and abilities with cleaning supplies that are not harmful to them. And for some reason, they love when I set a timer. They love to see how much they can accomplish in a certain period of time. It works, and it makes them feel good that they contributed to the responsibilities of the house. And since we're talking about cleaning, this brings me to number 6. Learn how to make your own cleaning products. There are very easy DIY recipes for more natural cleaning supplies that you can make at home. Not only will it save you money, but they work great and are harmless to you, your kids, and pets. I've been making my own cleaning products for about 2 years, and I love it. I just keep reusing the same spray bottle and filling it up with the same recipe. I got my recipes from Melissa Maker from Clean My Space. I love her channel, and I love watching her cleaning videos. They suck me right in. I'll link her channel down below along with a video on DIY cleaners. Number 7, clean and organize your jewelry. Gather all your jewelry and let's shine them up. There are many videos on YouTube on how to clean all types of jewelry. Silver, gold, diamond rings. So detangle those necklaces, pair those earrings, and organize them all in a way that it's easy for you to see and access them. There are many different items and gadgets you can get to organize your jewelry. I currently have this hanging organizer, but it no longer works for me. So I recently purchased a few new options from Amazon. I love Amazon and I can't wait to try them. I will keep you updated on how they turn out on Instagram. So make sure you follow me there too. Number 8, update your resume and LinkedIn profile. As I suggested in my last video to take courses, training, and online certifications, it's time to add them to your resume and your LinkedIn profile, along with any new skills you have acquired in the last 6 months at your current job. We tend to get a job and forget about our resume, but this also needs constant updating. This can give you an advantage in finding bigger and better opportunities. Number 9, make a vision board. This is something I'm really looking forward to making. A vision board is a visual representation using images and words of your goals for your life. It's usually done yearly and at the beginning of each year, but it's never too late to see what can come true in the remaining year. Even getting some of the things you have in your vision board is an accomplishment. So go ahead and make one. This board goes hand in hand with the law of attraction and manifestation, so it can change your life. You can do a digital vision board as well. I will leave some links down below on some videos that can help you better understand and get you started. Number 10, unsubscribe from unwanted emails. No one likes to receive junk and unwanted emails that fill up your inbox. A lot of times you just ignore them or delete them, but they will keep on coming. So unsubscribe from them. Open up the email and scroll all the way to the bottom and follow whatever link is there to unsubscribe. Once you've done this, delete all unwanted emails, clean up your inbox while you're at it. Rest assured that you won't receive any of those emails anymore. I hope. I have had a few of those stubborn emails here and there that I had to unsubscribe twice, so beware. Number 11, network and get in touch with people. Communicate and interact with family, friends, or old colleagues, either through a phone conversation or a video chat. You can even do video parties. Right now, there are a lot of people in their homes in need of a support system through this pandemic. So reach out to someone, check up on them, and catch up. Plus, you never know what new opportunities you can encounter by just starting a conversation. Number 12, start your own business. Let me get closer. If you've been thinking about this for a while, it's time to do it. Right now, there's a lot of need through this pandemic. And if you can fulfill one of those needs, then you're onto something. A lot of great businesses emerge from times of crisis and are very successful. If you have the extra time and an idea, invest the time on this. There are many easily accessible sources. For example, videos on YouTube and books and audiobooks on how to start your business from the ground up without investing a fortune. So go for it. Number 13, declutter your phone. Go through every app you have on your phone and delete any apps you don't need or use. And while you're at it, organize your apps and put them in folders and in categories. Can you tell I like organization? Same with your photos. Go through them and download them off your phone. And then follow number 3 from my last video. Also go through your contacts list and delete any old and unwanted contacts. You know who. Number 14, clean and organize your pantry. Remove everything from your pantry and go through every single item you have in there. Check their expiration date and discard anything that has gone bad. Now you can give your pantry a mini makeover. There are so many cute ways you can organize your pantry to make them more functional with different racks, containers, and baskets. I will link some pantry organization videos down below, but you can also go on Pinterest for more inspiration. Number 15, grow your own food. This is an art in itself, but it will save you tons of money and give you a great sense of satisfaction to grow your own produce. How you grow them depends on what kind of space you have. You can grow some herbs indoors. All you need is a window with a lot of sunlight, or you can buy some growing lights and other gadgets that work great too. But if you have a bigger outdoor space, be a little more adventurous and try growing more than herbs. Maybe some lettuce, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes. And if you have kids, involve them in the process. This is a great experience for them to learn as well. And lastly, this is an advice, and it is to practice your own faith. I think this is very important for our spiritual health, to help us remain hopeful, calm, and grounded throughout this time of quarantine. We need these positive vibes in the world from whatever faith you believe in. And if you have kids, keep practicing it with them. They too need comfort and hope. So this is it. This concludes my 2-part video on what to do at home during quarantine. I hope you found these suggestions and ideas helpful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Ida. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Remain healthy, productive, and most importantly, safe. And I will see you on my next video. Bye. Cutting the grass. I'll just keep on drinking. You can do TikTok. Everybody does TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I need glasses. So loud. I love Amazon.